Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. Today I want to talk to you about how I make money as a stay-at-home mom. Alright, I've been a stay-at-home mom for 10 years now, guys, and before that I was actually a corporate ladder climber. So I was an accountant before that, and actually I had tried to start other businesses before I became a mom. But of course when you start something new like that and you go all in, something like this with having a baby comes up, and then you just gotta stop everything. So what happened was that I would do that, right? I quit my accounting job actually in 2008 to do a baby photography business, and I did do it for a little while, but then I finally became pregnant. And I want to say finally because we had been trying already, and I had some troubles, and so we didn't get pregnant till shortly after I quit my corporate job and started my business. And so I could only do that photography business for a little longer, and then I had baby number 1, and then baby number 2 came very fast because we started trying earlier, since it took us a while to have our first child. So we started right away on our second child, and then bam, first try. So we had 2 babies really quickly. So that kind of put a damper on my entrepreneurship. Then finally, when they were getting bigger, I had a little bit more time, a little bit more me time. So then I started looking for different ways to make money online. Now, there are definitely so many ways to make money online, and a lot of them don't make you a lot of money. So basically, if you want to kind of know the way making money online works, is that anything that's easy, very quick to do, or very easy to do, none of that type of work or that type of website can earn you a lot of money. Like, you're not gonna make thousands of dollars or even hundreds of dollars with anything that's quick, easy, and basically get rich quick schemes. You're not gonna really actually get rich doing any of that, okay? So what I'm trying to get at is, if you're willing to put in work to learn something new, because working online is not something that comes naturally, guys. It is a learned skill. It is something that is not taught anywhere. It's not taught at school. It's not taught, like, where do you go? There's no there's no school to make money online, right? So you just basically go all over the internet to find, right? And that's what I was doing. I was looking at all these different options. And so that's what I find. So anything that's easy and quick is really not good. So if you want to actually make a good big impact on an income that you can depend on, something that's more than $1,000 a month, you really need to kind of learn a skill for online, to make money online. Sorry, you see a little furry head right there is my dog. So what I finally came across is a platform that taught me how to build my workanywherenow.com website. Yeah, so it's actually building a website these days, guys, it's not like back when the internet started, where you actually need to know coding and everything like that. The way websites are made these days are like clicking here and there, and then you could get the job done. Literally, you could create a website literally within less than a minute on the platform that I use. And the real work for a website is after it's created and live on the internet. Okay, so you start building it out, and that's what you're gonna learn. You need to learn the skills on how to build out a website like that, and what kind of content you need to create for it, and how are you gonna make money from it. So I had learned how to use affiliate marketing to make money from my website, and I also use paid or display ads to make money from my website. So I have 2 revenue streams making money from my website like that. And I also have another online asset, which is my YouTube channel that you're looking at right now, and that also brings me money as well. So what a blog does, let me just go back and just give you an idea of how my website actually makes money, okay? Because a lot of people would think, oh, how does my website actually make me money? Because I actually had people ask me, like, how are you gonna make money if you're helping people make money? Well, it's very easy. So what I do is use affiliate marketing, and what affiliate marketing is that you are just promoting other people's products. So you don't need to create any product. You just grab any product that you see online that you like, from Target, from Amazon, from Walmart, from your favorite brands. Almost every brand these days have a affiliate program, okay? So you need to find a company that offers affiliate program, then you can sign up for the program and get an affiliate link, okay? So once you have an affiliate link, you can put it on your website. So in the content that we'll just talk about, so let's say your website is about, let's say it's about cooking, and it's about a particular type of cooking. So let's say you want to do, so I'm Asian, let's say you want to do Asian fusion recipes or something like that for your blog, okay? And the way you cook, you use certain tools, you use certain supplies, you use certain pans and pots and whatever it may be, right? So what you do is you're going to create a blog about this blog website. You're going to talk about how are you going to cook and all the recipes that you like. You share them, and then you can say, hey, also I really like this one tool to make this, and you could get it here, and then you link it with your affiliate link, and then when they click it to go buy that same tool that you use, then you earn a commission. So that's how affiliate marketing works. And when you get a lot of people on your website, you could make a 4-digit online income just like that, even if each of those sales earn you just like $1 or even pennies. Sometimes, like if you use Amazon, let's say the affiliate program for Amazon, sometimes you do earn very little with that program, but when your website has a lot of visitors, you make 4 to 5 figures a month, okay? It is just no joke, okay? There are many blogs out there that make that much money, okay? And my blog makes a good 4-digit monthly income every month since last March of 2018, guys, okay? So this is real, this is a learned skill though, okay? It's not something that you could just pick up and try to do on your own, because I tried that, guys. So that was also one of the ways that I tried to do when I was looking for different ways to make money online. Now, when I did that on my own, I thought I could just, it's actually not that hard to like get a blog going, because you just gotta sign up for some hosting, and then the hosts actually usually have a very easy way to install a blog on your website, and then you can just start writing, right? But there's actually a component that I was missing when I first tried it on my own, and that is I didn't know how to write in a way that makes my website attract its own visitors. So that was a huge missing piece, because I didn't get a lot of visitors coming to my blog, and so I didn't make a lot of money at all, okay guys? So what I did was I went on to do other things. I even opened up 2 online shops, and although those online shops, it was handmade too, okay? So I wasn't doing drop shipping or anything like that. I created my own products. I sold my own handmade products. But man, what a headache. When you create your own products, you wear so many hats. It's like, it's crazy, okay? You got branding, you got looking for vendors, you got looking for wholesalers, you're looking for packaging, you're looking for supplies, you're looking for, like, it's so hard to find supplies, guys, and the wholesalers and all that, and the payment processing, and so much. Now when I use just a blog website and just promote other people's products, it is much more scalable using the technique of using a blog website to drive traffic and then using affiliate marketing to monetize and make money with it, okay? It is so much more powerful than having my little shops. I enjoy it so much better because all I do is write. All I need is my laptop, and that's the other thing. And then I was stuck in my office in just a room because I had inventory and I had to deal with all that stuff I had in my office. So now I could pretty much work anywhere I want because I'm on my laptop. So I work on my own schedule, and then I get to make money whenever it happens. So I could be sleeping, I could be playing, I could be on vacation or working, and I could be making money any time of the day. So that is the power of being a blogger and affiliate marketer. So I'm going to show you exactly where I started from, and this exact training that I have used have taught me to be number one, meaning I was able to achieve a super affiliate status already in less than, or just under 2 years. I was able to achieve that, okay guys? So what I want you to do is just go to workanywherenow.com, sign up for my free training first so you can kind of get a taste of what's going to be like, and then sign up for the training that I show you in there so you can get started with a step-by-step detailed instructions of how to put your website together and how to put all those affiliate links into your content, what content to write, how to pick your niche, how to find affiliate programs, how to do so many things. And they give you tools, they give you a community of people to have huge support. This is so important, guys. Working online is not easy, okay? You will need support. And also, if you do sign up with me, actually, I give you coaching for free on the platform. I coach all my premium referrals for free on the platform because the platform has so much resources, and I could show you things on there, and then I could also guide you through the training. I could guide you through how to do things. If you're stuck on a lesson, not sure what to do with this lesson, I'm there to help you. I'm on that platform every single day, guys. I really love it. I love what I do these days, and I earn a good income for my family. And now it's more like 2 income. We're back to 2 income, and it feels great. And it was 1 income for a long time, and it was really tough. And it's really tough to have a single income these days with a four-member family, and it's just a little bit easier with my income coming in now. So it's really fun to have, guys. It does take work. It does take a little while to see results because you need to build it up. It's not instant, guys, okay? It's not instant. Nothing worth having, guys, is instant or fast. Remember that. All right? So I hope if you enjoyed this video today, please give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can see and learn more about how to make money online, and push that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for coming to my video today, and I really hope you will join me and make money online because it is the most fun ever to make money online, and I hope you will join me. So I'll see you on the next one.